Welcome back to Malamak Art. My name is Mikki, and today I'm going to check out these Holbein Gouache color set. These have a magenta, yellow, cyan primary in them, and that's basically the reason why I got them. I do have some Holbein Gouache, and they don't have all three of these. So I wanted to grab this again, and I needed some more white gouache anyway. So this set will put you back, I think, $20 if you watch Amazon and get a good deal. So this looks like a color mixing chart, which is nice to have. Oh, so there's a nice set of English words here. Some explanation in English, which is nice. So I'm going to read that a little bit, but I'm really glad that they do this, because some people have no idea that they can get such a range with this trio here. So I am going to open these up and swatch them out. So this is what they look like. They come in 15 mil, and this is PW6, this is PBK7, this is PB15, this is PY3.74, and this is PR122. And you get a cute little cardboard container to keep them in if you wish to do so. Another little chart on the back. So I'm going to use this piece of paper to go ahead and swatch them out. I have a gouache container on order, and I want to put these in that. It has a sealed top, so gouache does tend to dry out on me, and then they tend to crack, and I don't want to add any additives to them. I want to keep them in the composition they came with. So personally, that's what I would like to do. And so here's, I'm not sure how color rich they are, but they are packed full of paint right to the tip. See that? I don't have to work to get any of that out. And here is the primary white. So I do have a little bit of gunk on there. Just gonna clean that off. I'm surprised I have some nails right now. I don't like to have nails. I always clip them off. They just get in the way. Oops. Oh dear. So I'm kind of forcing the paint back in by retracting and causing suction. So if you ever spit too many out, you can do that and save yourself a little bit of paint. So they're drying right away, just so you know. Gouache kind of likes to dry. I should have done a black line to see how opaque they are. Guess I wasn't that prepared. I have way too many pens in my pen jar. Okay, so this magenta is gorgeous. And I'm just going to wait for that to dry. It smells, woo! Let's see. So the magenta seems pretty transparent to me. But of course, that's sort of the way it is with these, with the red. We'll get a little bit more opacity with the yellow. Very vivid, bright colors. These are highly, highly pigmented. So let's see. This chart says that the magenta, wow, look at that bright color. Whoa. Magenta is permanence rating of 3. The yellow is 2, the blue is 3, and the black and white are 4. I don't know if you can see that, but we have some information here. Looks like the black is the most opaque. So, can't tell over that black line though, can we? It's definitely a very true black. It's not going red or blue. It's very neutral, which is nice. Oops. And the white. Just that little touch of it turned my water white. So there you have that. So I'm going to add a little white to them all. And as far as gouache goes, this paint is really buttery. And they're very reworkable. So let's see. A bit of white dot in the middle. Now, I'm going to do a little color wheel here. Clean my brush. I have like 3 cups of water on my desk. And last but not least, looks like I did a beautiful purple with that too. And in the middle I want to like mix them all. Not sure if I'm getting 100% of them all. So a nice neutral tone in the center. And I'm going to try to do a little bit of a brown. And that black certainly helps. So you get quite a range just from these 5 colors. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and paint something with them. Oops, I was off camera. I keep doing that. So what do you think so far? Would you grab these? They're awesome so far. I will do something and I'll see you at the end. So this is where I am with this now. I had to rework this eye like 5 times because I couldn't get the foreshortening. And it still needs work. It still needs to be brought up. But here are the gouache paints that I used, and I was able to get a whole range, even flesh tones, with just these 5 tubes. So I am very pleased with this set. I am actually quite excited about it, and I'm glad that I can work with the minimal palette. So this is where I'm going to leave this one. I'm shredding the paper, so I'm not sure I can do any more with it. If I had some watercolor ground, I would probably paint over it and do this over again. But this is where I am for now, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and review, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.